A civil court judge says homeless encampment sweeps in New Orleans will not be allowed until at least next week.
And as Andres Fuentes reports, the order came just before Troop NOLA started moving homeless people to another area under the Pontchartrain Expressway.
God bless you. My mission was to come out and at least serve out 20 plates. At least they can have some good red beans and rice and some turkey.
Natasha Williams told us that she wanted to bring Thanksgiving to a handful of homeless people at Latrobe Park. And it came during a time when state troopers were about to follow through on this eviction notice that calls for them to get out of their homeless encampments and set up shop under the Pontchartrain Expressway near the Amtrak station. But civil court judge Ethel Julian granted a temporary restraining order on encampment sweeps before these troopers went to work.
How do you evict somebody from a street, a public street? There's enough money and enough abandoned buildings where nobody should be on the street like me.
Governor Jeff Landry's office sent us this statement defending the sweep, saying that the city missed the deadline to get all the encampments moved in time for the holidays and Bayou Classic. Troop NOLA also put out a statement saying in part that troopers are trying to create safe alternatives to reclaim public spaces, and that the homeless camp under US 90 is a safer environment for people.
It's really put us off course in terms of the progress that we're able to make. The only way you can solve homelessness is with housing. So you can't solve it by sweeping people to one area.
Donna Paramore of the Travelers Aid of New Orleans says that of the 75 people swept into the camp before the Taylor Swift concerts, many were set to get housing. But she says that 63 have left the area so far. And the ones who stayed say help is slow.
I took a TB test, I did a COVID test, I filled out the application. I'm just waiting on them for help.
Not all the homeless are the same. And some of us homeless people have a job. And we get judged just because we're under a bridge in a tent.
Reporting in New Orleans, Andres Fuentes, Fox 8, Local First.